I want to show you one of the craziest recipes that I invented when my little boy Kai was just a wee little one and he never wanted to eat scrambled eggs. And I was like, how am I going to get eggs into this little boy? And so I made this pudding and he went gangbusters over it. You might think it's a little weird, but you got to try it. So you're gonna start with hard-boiled eggs and you're gonna put those into a very powerful blender because you wanna puree it till it's very smooth. You're gonna add your coconut milk and you're gonna add your natural sweetener. You might wanna add a little bit of stevia glycerite if you wanna go there. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, remember, because salt is a flavor enhancer. I'm gonna add my cocoa powder, my vanilla, but you could definitely mix it up with, if you love chocolate mint, you could add a little bit of mint extract or the butterscotch extract I showed you. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon too because I love that chocolate Mexican cinnamon flavor. And now all I'm gonna do is puree this until smooth. All right, now I'm gonna pour this into glasses. And here's a huge tip. Let it sit in the fridge overnight because in the morning, it's gonna taste delicious. It will not taste like hard-boiled eggs whatsoever, but here you have this thick, almost silky chocolate pudding without any dairy and a lot of good healthy protein. Your kids are gonna love it. Don't tell them what's in it, and I promise you they will like it. You could also put it into ice pop molds and make pudding pops and your kids will go crazy for them. I love them too. So with that, have a happy and healthy breakfast.